Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy a domain on Namecheap.com. So first you need to go to Namecheap.com and log in or sign into new account. So sign in button will be on the top right corner, and once you have an account you can now search for a domain. So here on find your new domain, write the name that you want to have. So for example, I want to have a domain with top advice online. Alright, and just press search, and now we need to wait for a few seconds, but you will see suggested results, and if topadviceonline.com is available, and as you can see here, topadviceonline.com is available, I can basically add to cart, and also there is other domains names that also I can buy. So for example, I can buy Top Advice Online XYZ only for $1. So what I need to do here, when you basically select com or XYZ, you need to press add to cart here, if of course you have an account, and as you can see here is added to cart, and just we need to view item, and then just go on checkout here, and then we need to wait for a few seconds again. And as you can see here, domain registration 1 year, and you can do auto renew here if you don't want to basically do other payment after 1 year. Basically Namecheap will auto renew automatically, right? And also domain privacy, as you can see here, it's free forever, so make sure it's available. So this means nobody can see your address or your name or the surname as a owner of this domain on the internet, so you will avoid a lot of spam. And then as you can see here, once you select these two options, you just need to confirm your order here, and we need to wait for a few seconds so you can add new card here, but I will pay with PayPal. So as you can see here, there is a PayPal option, and then what I need to do here, as you can see here, welcome to PayPal method, and then press continue. And as you can see here, you need to then, depending on the payment method you want to use, then just check out with PayPal or your card. And now I need to put my PayPal details. And then guys, when you select the payment option and basically pay for your domain, you should get this window: thank you for your purchase, your order is now placed. Right, and as you can see here on the purchase summary, there is a domain Top Advice Online XYZ. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.